What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about critical points and find the interval of increase or decrease, and also find out the local minimum and local maximum. And here we have f prime x, which is the first derivative of f of x. It's equal to x to the power of negative 1/2 times x minus 3. By definition, we know critical point is the point in the domain of function f where f prime is 0 or undefined. 0 or undefined. Here we have f prime x equals to x to the power of negative 1/2 times x minus 3, which you can write it as x minus 3 over x to the power of 1/2, which will be x minus 3 over square root of x. So when x equals to 3, f prime x is going to be 0. And when x is 0, since the denominator is going to be 0, f prime is going to be undefined. So we have two critical points. So these are going to be the critical points. Now we need to find out if we need to find out the interval of increase and decrease. What we need to do, we need to use the table of values. We have x minus 3 times root x, and here we have f prime x. The critical point is going to be 0 and 3. For each range, we have three range: negative infinity to 0, 0 to 3, and 3 to infinity. We have negative 1, we have plus 1, and we have 4. We can choose any number in each range. So it's going to be negative. When you sub it here, negative, this is going to be undefined. So it's going to be out of the range. Here we have positive 1. It's going to be negative, and here is going to be positive. So the f prime is going to be negative. 4 is going to be positive. It's going to be positive. So that's going to be positive. So we have negative and we have positive. When the f prime is negative, it means that it's going down. It's decreasing. And whenever it's f prime is positive, it means that it's going up. So we are dealing with local minimum. So at x equals to 3, we are dealing with local minimum, and the other one is not gonna be local minimum or maximum, because at that point f prime is undefined. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.